Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I will be telling you how to download the previous year cutoffs for 2020, 2019, 18 for every NIT and for various triple ITs and state engineering colleges. Before you register yourself in the CCMT portal, before you fill out your choices, you should be in a position to know that which NIT you can get or which triple IT you can get or which state engineering college you may get from your present GATE score. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to go to your Google and you have to type CCMT 2020. Remember, do not type CCMT 2021 because 2021 is still not advertised. After clicking on CCMT 2020, such a window will open, and in this window, see, when you go down, there will be some important additional links like important dates. This is not for your use because these are the dates for 2020, and this is maximum and minimum GATE score of CCMT 2020 special round 1. If you want to download the cutoffs for 2020, then there are these two links. This is for spot round 1 GATE scores and this is for spot round 2. But if you want the cutoffs for previous years other than 2020, 19, 18, 17 and so on, then this is the link from where you can get. So let's get started with the spot round 1 cutoffs for 2020. So after you click on this, you will be directed to a page something like this. So you can see that this is a PDF file which consists of almost 17 to 18 pages. Let me zoom in. So this contains the cutoffs for NSR1, that means spot round 1, and it contains the cutoffs for open, OBC, SC, ST, EWS and every category along with the PWD categories. So several NITs like NIT Jalandhar and NIT Jaipur and Bhopal, Allahabad and Agartala, Calicut, Durgapur, every NIT's cutoff along with the specified branches like VLSI and computer science and engineering, geotechnical engineering for civil engineering students, and thermal engineering for mechanical engineering students, and nanomaterials and nanotechnology. Every branch cutoff is given in this PDF for 2020. You can refer to this. But if you want to know the cutoffs for other years, then I already told you that you have to go to this hyperlink. After you click on this, then you will be directed to a page something like this, in which you will have to select the year for which you want the cutoff. Suppose you want for 2016, then you can select the round. You have to specify the round for which you want the cutoff, suppose round 2, and you have to select the institute name. There will be several institutes name. You will have to select among those, like suppose you want for Agartala, and then you will have to specify the branch name. You can search from here. Suppose you want for chemical engineering, then you can submit and the cutoffs will be shown to you in this particular tab. I hope it is clear to you. Now let me tell you how to download the information brochure. What is the use of information brochure? Information brochure can be used to know the complete procedure of CCMT. You can check out my other video in which I have explained the complete procedure. You can also check the information brochure, but it contains too much theory, so it will be kind of difficult to know the complete procedure. So but still, let's see. So this is the link for information brochure. When you click on this, you will be directed to a page something like this. So this is the brochure for 2020 till the CCMT releases its 2021 brochure. You can refer to this. The procedure more or less remains the same. It contains everything, like you can see the table of contents, introduction, eligibility requirements, also rules for seat allotment, merit list preparation, first round counseling, second round counseling, and also third round counseling, then ODV, online document verification, then special rounds, NSR1, NSR2, then refund of fees, and flowchart for regular rounds, flowchart for special rounds. You can check this out. And this also contains one affidavit format which is to be produced when you participate in NSR1 or NSR2. Then you have to produce this affidavit, and that's all. So thank you everyone, goodbye.